In this video, I'll show you how to send money from the USA to Bangladesh. So to do this, personally I would use Remitly since you don't need to pay any fees on your first transfer. They have great exchange rates and overall it's a very good money transferring service. So just go to remitly.com and set your country to the United States, and where it says to, you just want to go and set it to Bangladesh, so you can just search for it. And then from there, choose how much you would like to send. And you can see they even have a 2.5% cashback incentive for your recipient on transfers. And I think this is done by the Bangladesh government. So your recipient will receive even more than you send. So for example, I'll do $50 and then just click on get this rate. And from there, you will need to create an account or sign in if you already have one. So from here, you will then get to a screen like this. So just gonna click send money. And then here, make sure that the amount is set correctly. You can also choose the delivery method right here. So that for mobile money, cash pickup, or a bank deposit, gonna select whichever one is most convenient for your recipient. For this example, I'll use mobile money and then select Bcash. Then you can choose your own payment method. I'll be using a debit card since it's free and it's also very fast. And then from there, you can go and click continue. Now here, enter your recipient's name and enter their phone number. Now, if for example you selected a cash pickup or a bank account transfer, you will need to enter some different details, but just enter the details that are required. Then from there you can choose if you want the recipient to receive text notifications. And if it's your first time transferring, you also need to enter some details about yourself, such as your name and address, and then just confirm that you want to use the payment method you selected and click continue. Then here you can enter your payment details, and after doing that you can click review details. Then you will have an overview of all of the transfer details. Make sure all of it is correct, and if it is, go and confirm the transfer, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in Bangladesh. So now you know how to send money from the USA to Bangladesh. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.